How to automate customer calls using Vapi AI. First, open Google Chrome on your Android phone and go to the Vapi dashboard. Sign into your account or create a new one. Once you're inside the dashboard, tap the Assistants option and create a new assistant. Now, give your AI assistant a name and add a prompt describing how you want it to handle customer calls. For example, type, "You are a friendly customer support assistant. Answer customer questions, help with common issues, collect customer information, and transfer the call to a human when necessary." Next, configure the assistant's voice, language, and other settings, then publish your assistant. Now go to Phone Numbers and create a phone number. Vapi currently provides free phone numbers for US national use. For international numbers, you'll need to import a number from a supported provider, such as Twilio. Next, assign your AI assistant to the phone number. Now call the Vapi number from your phone. Your AI assistant should automatically answer the call and begin the conversation. You can also test the assistant directly from the Vapi dashboard without using a phone number. That's it. You've successfully set up an AI customer call system using Vapi AI on Android. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials and automation guides.